Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to do a single crochet two together, an invisible decrease stitch, as well as an increase stitch. These are very helpful if you're working with amigurumi or anything in the round such as a toque or a beanie. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using this Caron Simply Soft yarn. It is a 4 size yarn, and I'm going to be using this 3.75 millimeter hook with that. Now I have already worked up a swatch for this tutorial just to help with time. And so it's just a little circle basically. And what we're going to start with is we're going to start with learning the crochet two together. And I'll show you the abbreviation right here in the top hand corner. So when you see this in a pattern, you'll know what it is. So basically what this is you're going to crochet two together when you're looking to decrease the amount of stitches that you're working with. So what you do is you're going to insert your hook into this next stitch, into this next V right here, and you're going to yarn over and pull through a loop. So you should have 2 loops on your hook. Next, you're going to go into this next stitch. You're going to insert your hook, yarn over, and you're going to pull through as well. So now you have 3 strands of yarn on your hook like that. Now you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through all 3 stitches. So basically what that has done is it made 2 stitches 1. So we'll do that one more time. So we're going to insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, so you have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Now, if this is how you prefer to do your decreases, it's completely fine. However, I do find that they are more noticeable because you're collecting 3 strands of yarn instead of 2 in a normal single crochet. So they sometimes can seem a little bit bulkier. And you may also notice that you're going to get a little bit of holes between your stitches if you're going to be doing a lot of these in a row. So to help with that, I personally like to do invisible decreases. Now they're just ever so slightly different, but they have the same principle. You're decreasing a stitch, so we're doing 2 together, but it just looks a little bit different. So what we're going to do for our invisible decrease is we're going to go into this next stitch here, but instead of going through both of the top loops, we're just going to grab this front loop, just like that. Now we're going to go into the next stitch and we're going to grab the front loop as well. So you're going to have 2 loops on your hook plus your working loop. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through these 2 on your hook. So you have 2 on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through those 2. Now you can kind of see how bulky the single crochet 2 together looks compared to the invisible decrease. So we'll do that one more time. So we're going to go into this next stitch in the front loop only, and into the next stitch into the front loop only, yarn over and pull through both those loops. So you have 2 on your hook, yarn over and pull through. And that is how you create an invisible decrease. And we'll do one more. So front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through both. So you have 2 on your hook, yarn over and pull through both. And that is how you complete an invisible decrease. Next, I'm going to show you how to do an increase stitch. Now, when working in the round, an increase stitch is helpful because what it's going to do is exactly what the name is. You're increasing the amount of stitches you're going to have around. So normally you're going to single crochet in each stitch around, but for an increase stitch, what you're going to do is you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch and you're going to complete a single crochet like you normally would. Now we're going to go right back into that stitch that we just went into, and we're going to place another single crochet. And this is going to basically place 2 single crochets in one stitch, so it's doubling the stitch count for that stitch. So we'll do 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and an increase stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through for 1 single crochet. Now we're going to place 1 more in that exact same stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. And that is how you do an increase stitch. And that is how you do a single crochet 2 together, invisible decrease, and an increase stitch. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you. Please let us know in the comments down below if there's any other tutorials you're looking to see. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!